Hello students, greetings from Saraswati Sisukunj. This is applied English and it is based on writing. And the total number we have, that is 34. This is 34 number of video. Now students, in this video I am going to discuss one of the essays, and since you are going to appear for applied English examination in month of October, you can just follow what is the format, and I am going to ask one of the essays. Students, I have written one of the essays, I have written one of the topics over here. You need to just understand, and I am going to read the topic. Okay, more and more people want to buy famous brands of clothes, cars and other items. So the essay is based on famous brands of what? Clothes, cars and other items. What are the reasons? Means what are the reasons why people want to buy branded things, branded products? Okay. Do you think it is a positive or a negative development? Okay, you are going to write whether it is a positive development or a negative development. Before that, students, what are the reasons? So we need to discuss reasons also. Okay, why people buy branded products, branded items? Okay, so now we need to write reasons. Yes. And do you think it is a positive or a negative development? So you need to discuss positive and negative as well. Okay. So now students, I have written the format over here. The same format you can follow in the examination. Now first is introduction. The second one is body paragraph 1. In body paragraph 1 you can write reasons why people buy branded products. The second body paragraph we need to write whether it is a positive development or negative development. So we are going to discuss in body paragraph 2 positive development, and in body paragraph 3 we are going to discuss negative development. Okay, and in the last, that is called conclusion, we are going to write whether it is positive or negative development. What is more, whether it is completely a positive or a negative development, that we are going to write in conclusion. So now students, this is the format we have: introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, body paragraph 3 and conclusion. Now students, I am going to write an introduction and I am going to read. Okay, so what are things that we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss reasons, and we are going to discuss whether it is a positive development or a negative development. Now students, I am going to write an introduction and then I will read and I will make you understand how it has to be written. Students, I have written an introduction. I am going to read. Okay, what we need to mention? We need to mention reasons and whether it is a positive or a negative development. Modern era is the era of trend and fashion. Okay, how is the modern era? So this is the technological world and it is a modern world. So modern era is the era of trend and fashion. Okay, full stop. Here it is a full stop. Okay. Shopaholic. Do you know the meaning of shopaholic? People who want to buy a lot of products, things, they are called shopaholic. Shopaholic people like to buy branded items. Shopaholic people means those who want to buy a lot of products or branded products. Shopaholic people like to buy branded items, whereas others strictly prohibit. Okay, others strictly prohibit. No, we should not buy branded products. Strictly prohibit according to one school of thought. Okay, I have written a phrase according to one school of thought. So it is one of the thoughts, okay, of school. According to one school of thought, according to one school of thought, this trend means buying branded products. This trend has both merits and demerits. Means it has advantages and disadvantages as well. That means positive and negative both the sides. Merits and demerits. However, I opine, that means I give my opinion. I opine that it has more negative impacts. It has less, okay, positive, but it has more negative impacts on people. This essay will discuss reasons. So what are we going to discuss, students? In the body paragraph 1 and 3 reasons we are going to discuss. We are going to discuss positivity and we are going to discuss about negativity as well about this trend. This essay will discuss reasons with both viewpoint. That means what is our view about whether it is a positive development or negative development. In the subsequent paragraph means in upcoming paragraphs or ensuing paragraphs. Students, this is the introduction that I have written. You can just write at home and you can just practice. It would be really benefited for your examination. Now students, I am going to discuss body paragraph 1. I hope students you have understood this introduction of the given essay. And what is the essay we have? The essay is branded items or branded products that people buy. Okay, now students are going to write body paragraph 1 and there should be how many points? There should be 2 points. Now we are going to discuss body paragraph 1. We are going to discuss body paragraph 1. So let me write here B1. What does it mean by B1? B1 means body paragraph 1. We have completed introduction and then body paragraph 1. In body paragraph 1, what we need to write? We need to write reasons why there are many people who want to buy branded products. To begin with, there are plethora of reasons. Plethora means what? Plethora means many, plenty. There are plethora of reasons behind buying of branded clothes, footwears, watches and so on. Okay, there are many reasons behind of buying. What are the things? Branded clothes, footwears and watches and so on. So a lot of people want to buy branded products, especially electronic gadgets, footwear, then watches, okay, clothes. Firstly, everyone wants to get property. So now I am going to write point number 1. First, everyone wants to get property, home, fame and high status. Now students in this present era, everybody wants fame and name. They want high status and hence they wear these branded products. Okay, and they purchase these products. They want to show people. Thus, people think that after wearing branded clothes, okay, after wearing branded clothes, they will become under the rich and standard class. Okay, after wearing, people feel that okay, I am a high class person, or maybe I am a standard one. Okay, rich and standard class. Secondly, so what I have written in point number 1, I have written point number 1. They want property, home, fame and high status. They want to show the other people and hence they can wear these branded clothes. Now I have written secondly, I am going to write now point number 2 that I am going to make you understand. Secondly, celebrities who participate. Now there are a number of celebrities who participate in brand promotions. You know students, there are a lot of celebrities who take part in brand promotion. If any new watch comes, okay, so what the company hire celebrities for promotion. Promotions act as a boon. Boon means advantage. A boon for sales of branded items. How they do promotion? Celebrities, they have a lot of advertisement. You can watch, lot of advertisement when you watch TV. So boon for sales of branded items. Okay, as many people want to imitate Bollywood stars. Okay, there are a lot of people who want to imitate Bollywood stars. Additionally, youngsters will shine and trendy. Now youngsters would like to shine and they want to wear fashionable clothes. Why? Because they imitate Bollywood stars. For film shine and trendy when they wear branded shoes, dresses and so on. Now students, I have written here so on. We don't have to repeat. Okay. So you can write branded shoes, dresses and the other things. You can write other things and other things. Okay. Let me write. Why students? Because we don't have to repeat the word. Branded shoes, dresses and other things. Eventually means afterwards. Eventually, every person is indulging. Now, what is the meaning of indulging? Indulging means to get a lot of enjoyment. Okay. Eventually, every person is indulging in competition. Now, it is a kind of competition that a lot of people take, a lot of indulgence. Competition of wearing fashionable garments by copying each other. Now, in the present era, lot of people want to copy their Bollywood stars, their film, and they just imitate whatever advertisement they watch. They want to imitate. They want to buy same type of clothes. Now this is students. I have written body paragraph 1. There are 2 points. Point number 1, that is property, fame, name and high status. And what is the second? That they want to imitate. They imitate people, many people who want to imitate Bollywood stars. So this is the second point I have written. Additionally, youngsters will shine and trendy. So I have written about will shine and trendy as well. Okay, students. So there are total 2 points I have written in body paragraph 1. And now I am going to discuss body paragraph 2. In body paragraph 2, what we need to write? As I have said in the beginning, in body paragraph 1 we have discussed reasons why people buy branded things. Now we are going to discuss in body paragraph 2 whether it is a positive development or a negative development. Okay, now we are going to discuss body paragraph 2. Now we are going to discuss body paragraph 2. So I write here B2 means body paragraph 2. I have written 2 points. Okay, what are the 2 points? That means it is a positive development. So I have written body paragraph 2 about positive development. Okay. As for the profitable development is concerned, branded items have superior quality. This is point number 1. Okay. What type of quality? Superior quality. If you buy branded products, do you think the quality is low? No. The very superior quality, durability and consist of good quality of material. So this is point number 1, students, I have written. That means it is a positive development. If you have bought any branded products, you can find superior quality, durability, that means it is long lasting, okay, and consists of good quality material, and the material is really good. Okay, so then hence people buy a lot of branded products. So I have written positive. So they are long lasting. That means okay, if you buy branded products, you can just use those products, maybe 5 or 6 years, and it has nothing happens. Okay, that is not happening anymore. Long lasting after search in stores of branded items. Okay, after search means what? Search means increase or rise. Okay, after search in stores of branded items, country's economy is also rising. Students, see, now country's economy is rising. Yes, when people buy a lot of products, what happens? Definitely it is going to help revenue, nation's revenue. That means company's economy is increasing. Levi's stores are prime example of it. And a lot of people buy Levi's jeans and clothes, and what happens? And when people buy a lot of products, it is rising or not? What? Economy is rising. The country's economy is rising. As they make many copies of their products, okay, lot of copy that they make, it leads to development of country's finance. Okay, country's economy is increasing, country's finance are improving. Branded items require less repair. Once you buy, you don't have to repair at all. It is long lasting. For they are made from high quality and material. So this is I have written high quality and material. So 2 points students I have written about superior quality, durability and consist of good quality material. Okay, and the second one, what? Country's economy is rising. Upsurge, I have written the word upsurge. Upsurge means increasing. Durability means it is long lasting. Okay, students, I have written 2 points of positive development of branded products. Okay, that are bought by people. So now, students, I have discussed 2 points of positive development. Now I am going to write body paragraph 3, and I am going to discuss negative development. I hope, students, you have understood these 2 points of positive towards buying of branded products. Now, students, I am going to discuss body paragraph 3, and in body paragraph 3 I am going to write negative development. Students, this is body paragraph 3. Okay, so I write here body paragraph 3. Now in body paragraph 3 I am going to discuss negative development of buying branded items. Okay, on the other hand, branded items also have negative influences. Do they have negative influences? Yes, negative influences, as they have fixed and high prices. Students, if you have if you have bought any branded items, they are really costly. And if you have experience, have fixed, you cannot bargain. Okay, it is a fixed one. Have fixed and high prices. Therefore, they are not easily affordable by middle class families and underprivileged. Now, middle class families and underprivileged people cannot buy branded items. Why? Because they are very costly and they cannot afford. Now, students, what is the meaning of underprivileged? Underprivileged means those who are poor, those who cannot afford branded items. So, middle class families and underprivileged cannot afford. So, students, what I have written? See, my point is fixed price, high prices, and therefore not easily affordable by whom? By middle class families and underprivileged. So branded products are really costly. Underprivileged people and middle class families cannot afford. So I have written my point, that is point number 1. Now going to discuss point number 2. Yes. Other drawback means disadvantage. Other drawback is some people feel shame, okay, when they go in marriages, parties, and also feel anxiety to meet with upper class people. Okay, this is point number 2. Now there are a lot of people when they go for parties, marriages, and when they meet people who are very high status, they wear branded clothes. So underprivileged people feel kind of offended, or maybe feel kind of anxiety, worries, and kind of depression as well. And they are not easy to, they are not that comfortable to meet the people. Okay, parties and also feel anxiety to meet with upper class people. Consequently means what? Afterwards. Consequently, their self-esteem is affected. Now, self-respect, okay, is affected. Furthermore, many things can be bought in that amount of money which is required to buy only one branded item. Okay. Now students, there are branded items are very costly, and with the same amount you can buy number of items or number of things with the same amount rather than going for branded items or maybe things. To illustrate, it is not that ordinary clothes may not have good quality. So that is a misconception that we have, that people have. So when you buy ordinary things are not good quality. No, there are also some qualities that you get, or maybe some things really very good in quality. Ordinary clothes may not have good quality and durability. No, that is the misconception that people have. It also has good quality and durability. That means long lasting. Besides this, these clothes can be bought in genuine rates, and you can bargain when you buy local things. You can bargain and can be bought in genuine rates and even from sales also. So there are a lot of sales available, and you can get branded items also, and you don't have to pay a higher amount of money. Okay, and that is good in quality. Now students, I have written 2 points. I hope you have understood body paragraph 3 that I have discussed about negative of buying branded things. Now students, I am going to write conclusion, and I am going to explain to you that what we need to write in conclusion. I have written a conclusion, and I am going to discuss both the sides, that means positive also, negative also, and let's see. Okay. To conclude, branded products have more advantages. Definitely, everyone knows that branded products have number of advantages or more advantages. It is affecting the harmony of human beings. Definitely, does it affect? Yes, it affects harmony of human beings. Harmony means what? Peace. Although it is fruitful to opt for branded items, even though we need to, I think it is fruitful to opt for branded items because of quality and durability. Everyone knows that if you buy branded products, the quality and durability, definitely it is what? Long lasting. But their prices should be arranged in a manner. That prices should not be high, but prices should be arranged in such a way that everyone can afford. but their prices should be arranged in a manner that every person can buy them in reasonable rates. Now, branded products have high prices, but if it is arranged in such a way that everyone can buy a product. Okay, so students, we have discussed introduction. What is paragraph 1 about what reasons? What is paragraph 2? Development, that is positive development. What is paragraph 3? Negative development. And in the conclusion that I have written what with the science. Okay, now students, I hope you have understood the whole essay. In the examination of applied English writing, you are going to be asked one of the essays, and there you need to write one essay. Okay students, and you can just watch the video from the beginning. You will understand how it has to be written. I hope students, once again, that you have understood the whole essay.